Triangles. They're everywhere, shapes we see every day but rarely notice. From the pyramid to the humble yield sign, triangles have captivated mathematicians, philosophers, and artists for millennia. But why? What's so special about this seemingly simple geometric shape? First, let's appreciate something fundamental about triangles: their stability. No matter how much you push, pull, or stretch their sides, triangles cannot easily collapse. This structural quality is why ancient architects like the Egyptians relied on triangles to build lasting monuments like the pyramids. They knew something intuitively: triangles were trustworthy. The Greeks took this intuition further. They turned triangles into tools of mathematical precision to measure the angles of the stars and predict the future movements of celestial bodies. But triangles aren't just useful, they're enchanting. Take the golden ratio, one of geometry's most famous phenomena. The ratio, approximately 1.618, represents an ideal balance that can be found in nature, art, and even spirituality. Triangles often embody this mysterious proportion, especially ones related to the Fibonacci sequence. Draw a triangle with certain proportions, a golden triangle, and the lengths of its sides reflect this mystic ratio. The result, when seen in art like Leonardo da Vinci's Vitruvian Man or ancient Greek architecture, feels innately beautiful. It's one of those moments where math transcends computation and touches on something that feels universal. While the ancients marveled at the triangle's beauty, its mathematical properties are what cemented its place in our universe's blueprint. Consider this: the sum of a triangle's interior angles is always 180 degrees, no matter its shape or orientation. But angle relationships don't stop there. Triangles teach us about similarity and proportionality. When two triangles share the same angle measures, their sides scale proportionally, opening doors to mathematical theories, trigonometry, and practical applications like engineering, physics, and even coding. Triangles gave rise to sine, cosine, and tangent, functions we use to map waves, predict planetary rotations, and even encrypt our digital lives. The ancients also observed how triangles could represent something spiritual or symbolic. A simple three-sided shape became divine in numerous cultures. To the Greek philosopher Pythagoras, the triangle was the key to understanding the harmony between the earth, the heavens, and the human soul. To the Egyptians, the pyramids, constructed as large triangles, were pathways to eternity. So while triangles might seem like basic building blocks to the untrained eye, they are anything but. They are the backbone of architecture, the symbol of divine proportions, and the key players in mathematical relationships that underlie our universe. Simple and mysterious, rigid and flexible, triangles hold the code to beauty, logic, and purpose all in one. Keep your eyes open. They're more than just a shape. You might even say they're the shape of understanding itself.